Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen.
Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So today is Sunday and I have a few errands that I need to run. I am actually home alone. The boys went to the Jaguars scrimmage game. I did want to go because y'all know I am a big football girl, but only for my city, okay? But I didn't go because y'all know I told y'all about this heat. It's so hot outside and I'm like, no, y'all gonna have to do this one without me. But remember I told you guys on the last video that I had some things that I needed to take back to H&M. When we went to the mall, I forgot my bag at home. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. It's still pretty early. The mall doesn't open until 12 and it's 11. So I might just run into Target just to kill some time. I might go grab something to eat and then, you know, get these errands out of the way. So that's what I'm doing today. And I am trying to season my cast iron pan. So I need to make sure I turn off this oven. Okay. I might stop and get me some sushi or something. I'm not too sure, but I'm really hungry. Okay, y'all, so I'm taking my little Aldo bag for the first time. So it's big enough to fit my phone. Put this in the front. I got my cards in here. So this is my little mall fit, my little errand fit today. All right, let's go run these errands. All right, y'all, so I made it back home. I'm getting ready to fix me some seafood. So I have snow crab, some lobster, and some Dungeness crab. So I'm getting ready to eat. I didn't have anything to eat today. But y'all, I stopped by Starbucks to get me a green tea frappuccino and a banana loaf. And the girl in front of me, we had the same card. Turn that down for a second. Just mute it. So the girl in front of me, we had the same card, but she had a black one. So when I got to the window, she paid for my stuff. I thought that was so sweet. It just put a big smile on my face. We have had somebody pay for like McDonald's like a while ago, and it was like me, Tony, and my son. But I've never had it happen while I was by myself. So I thought that was just so sweet. So, by the way, I always get questions about this. This is a green tea frappuccino. And I get the grande. And it's really good. That's the first drink that I ever tried at Starbucks, was the green tea frappuccino. It's so bright in my kitchen. Okay, so I'm getting ready to fix my seafood. I'll talk to y'all later. Hey y'all, today is Monday, and yes, I'm back in a hat. I am on my way to the post office. I need to check the mail room. Then I'm gonna go to the post office. I need to go to the store to get a few things for the week. Y'all know I be trying to eat healthy. I gotta get this weight off me, y'all. It's just driving me nuts. So yeah, I need to run a few errands that I couldn't run over the weekend because the places were closed. So I need to go to the post office. I need to go to the mail room. I need to go to Costco. I should have went to Costco yesterday, but I didn't have that card in my purse, so I couldn't go yesterday. So I'm just gonna do a few errands today. Y'all know school starts tomorrow, so I'm gonna just be like busy trying to make sure Tony has everything he needs. So yeah, that's what we'll be doing today, so y'all can roll with me, okay?
You're special and you're reckless. Remember, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she's my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it. And everything is alright. I like how you doing alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, oh yeah. Like how you do it alright. Everything good, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, alright. Oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I'm the storm in your dream, making wet dreams come true. She know she bad, better than bad. She a gunshot that blew my mind. No distance, I come by my side. Everything is green over here. Everything you want and think about. Now I got your back all the way, and everything is alright. I like how you doing alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, oh yeah, oh yeah. Like how you do it alright. Everything good, alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, alright, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Look, best friend and big family. Me and you, we can be something we want to. When I see the dream we chasing true, we don't care for me, yeah, yeah. Luckily we free to be first class, riding casually, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling.
Okay, so I had to make a little store run. So I'm gonna go over these groceries with you guys really quick. So I got spring mix, zucchini, bok choy, snow peas, broccoli, mushrooms, bean sprouts, marinara sauce, pineapples, sushi. I got the spicy avocado crab, the avocado salad roll, the spicy crab cucumber roll, and another spring roll, but this one has shrimp. Mozzarella cheese, Parmesan cheese, lobster, colossal shrimp, and then I got some of the Parmesan cheese. This is the cheese that I was supposed to get when I made my zucchini rolls. This was the one that I was supposed to get and I grabbed the wrong one. So I'll be making the zucchini rolls again sometime this week. But right now I'm getting ready to eat this roll right here. This one is from Publix. I showed y'all this one before. It's so good. I think I'm gonna try to make my own sometime this week. And then I went to Fresh Market and picked up the same ones that I had last week. These are so good, so I'll probably eat these for a snack. It's just crab, avocado, and no, it's just crab and cucumber. And then this one is another spring roll, but this one has shrimp. Then I bought the eel sauce, the mayo, spicy mayo, and then y'all remember these. These were really good to me. Tony didn't like them, but I plan on doing like a vegetable stir fry, but I'm gonna do it with like bok choy, snow peas, broccoli, bean sprouts, mushrooms, and I might add a few more, maybe some onions, and then I'll probably cut up some lobster and shrimp. I'll be doing that maybe for dinner, I'm not too sure. And like I said, I'll be making the rolls again, the zucchini rolls, sometime this week. So yeah, I bought some more flowers. So I got the lilies, so pretty. And then I bought some of these calla lilies. These are so pretty to me. Like, I love the way that they look. So I did stop by Home Goods and my P.O. box. So of course I'll show you guys what I got from my P.O. box. But from Home Good, I just bought some more hangers. I went in there looking for my candle, but they don't have those out yet. And then I just bought 2 of these. So this is the scraper spatula, and then this is the spoon spatula. But I like to cook with these so I don't mess up my pots. So get you some of these, honey. Okay, y'all, it looks like it's gonna rain outside, but I got 3 packages from the P.O. box. So the first package is from Personalized by April LLC. So let's open this up. See what's in here. Oh, it's a shirt. Let's see what this shirt says. The shirt just says only me, and it says my name in the back. Thank you so much. This is so cute. I love that font. Super cute. Thank you so much, April. Let me see if, so she does personalize any shirt that you want. I'll have her Instagram across the screen. The company is Personalized by April. So thank you, April, so much. Be good, be kind, be you. Period. And she sent me some gummy bears. Because if y'all don't know, gummy bears and pink starbursts are my favorite candies. All right, the next one is from Shop Shine Black. Y'all hear the rain? I made it back just in time. So there's a card in here, and the card says, hey girl, hey, we love your content. Keep giving what needs to be given. We sent you our Kelly biker set that we think you would love. The perfect basic to dress up or down. We know that you love neutrals, so we kept that in mind. And you guys can use my code SCHERIKAB to get $10 off. So I will also have her Instagram handle at the bottom of the screen. Thank you so much, girl. So this is just a black basic. Ooh, girl. So it looks like it's a half top with the biker shorts. This is definitely something that I would wear around the house, because honey, I don't know if you've seen my my body, but honey, she has a body yachty. And a whole husband. He ain't gonna let me go out the house with this on. No, but so yeah, this little basic tops with the biker shorts. So I will lounge around in the house with this. Thank you so much. And then next up is from AROMA Sensations. So let's see what this is. Y'all, I am so hungry. I haven't had anything to eat yet. So I'm about to tear that sushi up. It's raining so hard. Okay. So the first thing that I pulled out of the box, it looks like these are some of the candy wax. I'm talking about candy wax, girl, I'm hungry. These are some of the soy wax milks. So let me just open them. Oh, they smell good. I can already tell y'all that because I could smell it through the packaging. Let's do brunch. It smells very, very sweet. So it looks like this. Really nice. And then invading your space 1 cent at a time. That's so cute. I will have their Instagram handle. This is a black owned business. I will have the Instagram handle across the screen. Thank you so much, boo. And then they sent me over a candle, and this one is Yacht Party. Ooh, this one's nice. So this is how the candle looks. Yacht Party. This one is really sweet. Thank you so much. And all the candles are soy scented candles with essential oils. There was one more thing in here. So this is date night in a little packet like this. I'm gonna smell this one. Oh, see, now date night is more my speed. I'm not really big on sweet scents, but date night, this is more my speed. Oh, this is nice. Date night, nice. So thank you to everybody that sent something over to me. Y'all go follow them on Instagram and shop with them. Support the girls. Okay, also I'm having my matcha and I'm done editing my video for today. I'm just sitting up here watching Janae's handbag video and yeah, just enjoying my matcha. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one. Cheers.
Don't take it. Take it. Just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby